How to track your complaint on the Rail Madad application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps of how you can track your complaint through the Rail Madad application that you have launched. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Rail Madad application by tapping onto the app icon. Then once you are inside the Rail Madad application, you will need to authenticate yourself by either entering your PIN or by entering your user and password credentials. So after you are done entering all these details, you will need to click onto the submit button. So after clicking onto the submit button, you can see that here you are in the interface of your Rail Madad application. Now in order to track your complaint or track your concern, you will need to click onto this option that says track your concern, and from here you will need to type in your reference number. So simply type in your reference number and click onto the submit button, and you will be moved to a new screen where the status of your complaint, including all of the details like the name of the person, where you've lodged the complaint and what action has been taken, and the resolution will be shared with you so that you can make a decision, or if you can also see what decision was made regarding that particular complaint or the action taken. So that's how easily you can track your complaint or track your concern using the Rail Madad application in Android. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.